Guys, today I have this LG 49-inch smart LED TV. The problem is double image. I turn on. This is double image problem. Let's do it now. I will show you how to repair this problem. This is panel screen issue. Hello guys, so I already opened the back cover of this TV. This is main board and this is power supply board. So this side for no display and this side for double image. So I remove one ribbon from this side. This is LVDS cable, and after that I check. I turn on. Half screen okay. The problem is right side. So I will block some CKB lines from this side, and after we check both side is okay or no. Let's do it now. Okay guys, so I already blocked some CKB lines from this side. Now let's check our TV is okay or no. This is LG 49-inch smart LED TV. Fixed double image problem. Now I turn on. Okay, LG. HDMI 1. Okay, done. Now both side is okay, left and right. Thank you everyone. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe my YouTube channel. For any information kindly contact me.